Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to update all your apps on mobile. So let's get started. First, open up the Google Play Store. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then click on Manage Apps and Device. Now, over here in the Updates Available section, just click on Update All to update all of your apps. Now, if you click on See Details, you'll be brought to this menu where you can update your apps individually. You simply click on Update and that's pretty much it. The Update All option can also be found here. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.